The garage that we have now is a dream. It's been a dream for Tom for as long as we've been married. It makes me happy to finally have something like this for him. He's been a car guy as long as I've known him. He had a 1953 Ford when we met back in 1978, 40 years ago. And it's just gone on from there to get more cars. And the more cars we get, the more space we need and the more organization we need. And so getting these lifts and getting these cabinets has made it really convenient for our family. Just to have the space, to have the organization for Tom, where he can have his tools at hand and have the space to be able to move around and do the work that he wants to do out in the garage.
We're a car family, and I spend a lot of time in the garage. It's important to me the way it looks. It's also important to me that it's set up so I can use it properly. The lifts give me an opportunity to do maintenance and general cleanups that I couldn't do before. And the way the cabinets are set up, it's just so functional, and they look good too. Garage living has really pleased us with the layouts and the designs and really the fit and finish when it was all done. It took about a week to finish, so we got to know them a little bit, and they were really good people. And the owner from the Dallas showroom came out and put his personal touch on the installation as well. Kind of feels a little bit like an extended family. Our cars are important to us. The car behind me is actually my wife's car. We've used it for years when our children were babies, to the farmer's market and to downtown for coffee and to car shows. My hot rod has brought us pleasure for many, many years, and now that I can keep it safe up on the rack and keep it clean, it makes me much more proud to have that car. We were really, really pleased with the way it turned out. It exceeded our expectations, and again, I'll say that the people from Garage Living became almost like an extended family to us, and I do enjoy what they've done and the way they treated us. My garage is my good space because it's part of my house. It's important to me the way it looks, and it's important to me the way I can use it.